Right, those two runs are examples of how you can construct nice little runs and riffs using what we call approach notes. Approach notes are the notes above and below chord notes. For instance, if we take a C major triad, the notes are C, E and G. We can approach each of those notes from the note one higher and one below. Now, if we take the one higher from a C major scale, so we approach the C from D, and then the note below is just a semitone below the chord note, so B, and then C. So on the E, the note above E in the scale of C is F, semitone below D sharp. On the G, A is the note above it from the scale of C, and a semitone below G, F sharp. So we are circling around the chord notes. In that example just then, I played the note above first, the note below, then the chord note. In the first riff that I did, I was doing a turn around each chord note. In other words, playing the note above, the chord note, note below, then the chord note. Note above, chord note, note below, then the chord note, and so on. You can do any combination of these that you like. You can also remember that triads fit over more than one chord. So for instance, a C major triad can be used over a D minor 7 chord, because the notes in the C major triad are, in terms of a D minor 7 chord, the 7th, the 9th and the 11th. It can be used over an F major 7 chord, the C being the 5th, E the 7th and G the 9th. You can even use it over a B flat major 7 chord. The C is the 9th, E is the sharpened 11th and G is the 6th. So you can construct nice little riffs using these approach notes around a simple triad, and then when you apply those to different chords, you can get some really nice, colourful sounding riffs going. So let's try that on a D minor chord. On an F major 7. Let's try it on a B flat major 7 chord. The second riff I played in the introduction was, now in this case we're aiming to go from G to E, both chord notes in the C major triad, but I'm not going directly to the note above E, which is F. I'm putting a chromatic passing note in as well, so I'm going to go G, G flat or F sharp, F, and then the D sharp below the E. So I'm putting an extra note in there. From there, I go down to the A, the note above the G. And then I go back to C, straight to a chord note, approach note circling around E. So and again, you can apply that to different chords. Have fun experimenting with that. If you enjoyed that, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Thank you.